Through tireless dedication and behind-the-scenes precision, the International Office team has worked relentlessly to bring the launch of CILEM to life. From coordinating international speakers to managing complex logistics, every detail of this event reflects the hard work, discipline, and vision of a team committed to excellence. Their efforts transformed a concept into reality, ensuring that CILEM's debut would resonate not just locally, but globally. Under the leadership of Lala Bumela, PhD, the International Office team demonstrated exceptional dedication, working across time zones and responsibilities to ensure every detail aligned with the event's greater purpose. Their commitment went beyond execution. It became a driving force that shaped CILEM into a platform for meaningful academic exchange and long-term global engagement. This moment is more than a ceremonial launch. It is the culmination of months of perseverance, collaboration, and belief in the mission. The International Office has proven that impactful academic diplomacy begins with commitment and ends with meaningful connections, bridging nations, ideas, and futures.